And with traffic blitzes not only here in Toledo but all over the region, some people are turning to technology to help them dodge a speeding ticket. Barrett Andrews spoke to police about this smartphone software. He's on the scene with what they think about it.
If you're afraid of getting pulled over but just can't seem to keep your lead foot off the accelerator and would rather play a game of Dodge the Cop, yeah, there's an app for that. It's called Trapster. It follows your location on GPS, and you can report things like speed traps, cops just sitting there, or other things where cops tend to hang out, red light cameras, speed cameras. Other people then get a text or audio alarm when they enter the area around that trap. You might be surprised to find out none of this part bothers Toledo police.
From a traffic standpoint and just posting that we're doing traffic enforcement, that doesn't bother me, because anything that'll get a person to think about their driving, slow down, drive safer, that's fine.
And what about people who aren't just trying to dodge that moderately expensive speeding ticket, but are instead, say, running drugs or doing something else higher up on the offense chart? The lieutenant says those kinds of serious criminals are prepared anyway.
There's already counter surveillance, on the police anyways. They may have a lookout vehicle, a blocker vehicle.
And, of course, Trapster is not the only app or website we found that was like this. We found several of them putting this story together. We also ran across a few people who say they weren't really impressed by this and they'd rather just keep their eyes peeled or even follow the speed limit to avoid getting a ticket. We're on the scene driving through downtown Toledo. Barrett Andrews, Fox Toledo News.